What's up, everybody? Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. And last night I was recording a video to show you guys how awesome my new lure, the Pompadour JR, is, and it got caught in the weeds. Now it's a $24 lure, and I have a general idea where I think it is and a very, very general idea of how deep the water is. So I'm gonna go in and try and get it.
It's like in the shallow ends. So.
Well, it doesn't stay shallow for long, and there's a lot of soft mud in there. So I busted out the waders. I've owned these for 2 years. I've never put them on before. They're hot, they're uncomfortable, they're giving me a wedgie. And I'm really hoping they don't leak. Keira's running the camera in case I fall in, because there's a high probability of that, and if I do, it'll be pretty funny. Let's see if we can't get Big Pompin back.
Oh, well, maybe you'll catch something in there.
I hopefully don't catch anything. I want everything to leave me alone.
Well, don't you want a fishy?
No, I want everything to stay away from me. The snakes, the fishies, the turtles.
Oh, there's fishies in here? I mean, snakes in here? I
assume there's snakes in here. I don't want to find out. I'm taking my steps carefully because I can't tell if the water is just really cold on the outside of the waders or if they're leaking. There's a stick. Whoa. It dropped down quite a bit with that step. Whoa.
The fishes are going to start getting real active now.
I might not be able to get to it.
I might just have to dive in.
I ain't diving in. I'll buy another one before I dive in. Now it floats, so hopefully as I pull in weeds it'll float to the top, because I'm pretty sure it's somewhere right in that gap that I don't think I'm going to be able to get to. So let me pull out what I can get to.
Guys, I think I gotta see like all the way
in here
there.
Somewhere.
Like at that tip top right there. I think I see it. I don't know yet, but it kind of looks like it.
Get cut up already.
Oh, you already got cut up?
Probably from the barbed wire fence.
Yeah.
I'm wearing my water glasses, which help a lot. I can kind of see. I don't see it yet. Take my next step there. It's getting deep.
Doesn't that look like it?
I'm not even seeing my fishing line or anything.
Normally, a line will get like stuck in the weeds.
That's a pretty good drop there. I'm trying not to stir the water up too much because I can see through it to about 2 foot with my glasses on.
I would think the best thing is just to dive in, but he doesn't want to, so. Huh?
I thought I found it for a second, but that wasn't it. Oh, shit. There it is right there.
Woo! We found it!
Now I gotta get out without falling.
Hopefully he can get out, guys. Woo!
Whoa! Big Pompin is back.
So looks like he doesn't have to spend anything now. He just got it back.
Oh, my little buddy.
You guys reunite.